How to recall an email on iPhone that's already sent? In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent an email from sending so you can take it back. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. When you compose and send an email, you might notice that at the bottom there's an undo send button. You can go ahead and hit this and it will stop it from sending. From here, you're able to hit cancel to get out of it. The only unfortunate thing about this is you will have only 10 seconds after sending the message to be able to undo the send. As you can see here, if we wait too long, this undo send will disappear, at which point the message has been sent and there's no way to recall it. Now, if 10 seconds isn't enough time, there is a way we can get it up to 30. To do that, we're going to go back to the home screen, open the Settings app, and scroll down to Applications. From here, go to the M section of your applications and open Mail. If you scroll to the very bottom, you will see there's an undo send delay button. We can click on it here and set it up to that 30 seconds. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.